All right, hi everyone. I'm going to show you an interesting Google Docs add-on called Docutube. As you can see in front of you here, I just created a quick document that could be distributed in your LMS like Schoology or any other LMS that you use. And notice that I have a link to a video and then I just have the link out. So I have the link in the text in the first one, and then I just have the link written out. And then I just put a table in for question and answer. That way when my LMS makes the copy for each student, they can just put their answer right in where they need to be at, and it's a really easy way to make a document. What this add-on does is it allows you to be able to keep the Google or the YouTube video right in view while you're on the doc. Let me show you. So like I said, there's a link here and then there's a link here. So I'm going to go into the extensions here and I'm going to start the Docutube viewer. And after a couple seconds, it's going to load a sidebar and it says Docutube will show the videos linked in your document. So what we're going to do is we're going to load those videos. And now I could actually watch the video right inside of Google Docs here.
Welcome to Kids Academy.
And then be able to answer the questions right here without having to toggle between two different windows or two different tabs. So you could have multiple questions if you wanted to. So this is just an interesting way to add links, YouTube links to your document and then be able to view them right inside of Google Docs. Enjoy.